Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have the lovely Hannah in today, and she's in for a redesign. So we've done, you know, the usual prep, and we're back down to the clear layer. We applied our clear base again at the growth, and we are good to go. So I found this set. She didn't know what she wanted, and I found, like, sometimes I save pictures that I like the look of in my you know, Instagram. You can just save, can't you? So I was like, oh, let me look for a couple of mine that I've saved. Sorry, I've got a cold and I'm really sniffly, like really sniffly. I'm gonna try not to. Yeah, so I found this set that I was like, let's give these a go. They were stiletto, the original set, but hers are obviously this shape. But I was like, yeah, it will be fine. So I can't remember the girl's name. Actually, let me go check. So they were by a girl on Instagram called Nails by Ali _nail salon. Yeah, they were a really stunning set, and I just copied them. Hers were different, like each hand, one of her hand was different, but we just went for the same on both. Oh god, sorry. So this colour is Black Magic from CJP. So we're going to do that on the baby and on the pointer here, and we're also going to cap. I'm using my size 12 brush. In a bit, darling. You can't be too in their face though, okay? Don't be too in their face. So the rest is just all one colour as well. So this is Flawless, you must know by now, Flawless from Naio Nails. And we're just going to do the rest of her nails in this colour, because we're going to put some, you know, I was going to do a cutout design, but I decided actually I'm just going to do gel polish at the end. There was like a strip of black down each of these nails. And like the normal thing I would do, you know, like you have that glitter strip, I would do that, but I was like, no, I just think it would be easier to do a gel stripe down the middle, and I've got my new striping brushes that I like to use, so we went with that. So yeah, just full nails of Flawless. So we filed, shaped, buffed, all that stuff, and now we're going in with some foil, transfer foil. So I just applied a bit of the transfer gel, just in little streaks across the nail where I wanted the foil to be. Let that dry, and then we're going to stick this foil onto it, like a holographic silver. Couldn't tell you where I got it from. I've got a drawer full of them. They're just great to have. If you want to just mix up a set, just add a few little streaks of foil gel to it. So once I've done that, I'm going to top coat them, all her nails, in Premier Gel top coat. The reason I'm doing that on the 3 that I'm going to have the stripe is because it's nice to have a smooth surface to apply your gel, otherwise it's going to be gritty, and not really gritty, but it's just nice to have a nice finished smooth surface, and it just glides on nicely. So we'll cure that for 60 seconds. So this is just a black gel from the gel bottling, I think, or it might be Premier Gel, I can't remember, the bottles are so alike. So I'm using my striping brush. It's comes in a pack of 3, and they are really lovely to work with. They're out of stock at the moment, but I think I'm getting them either tomorrow or the next day, so I'll make sure that they are straight up. But they're great. This one's the longest one out of the set, so we've got a nice long one like this, and then we've got a medium and a small. So yeah, I'm just going to do a nice stripe down the middle with this black gel. It's quite pigmented, but I did do it quite thick as well. We did, any spare moment I was like, just keep that under the light, just constantly keep it under there. So she was probably under the lamp for about 4 minutes probably in total. Any chance I was like, get it under. So yeah, just doing straight. She was giggling. Alan was in the room. These are Alan's cousin. Hannah is Alan's cousin, and her sister Rachel's round, and we all get a dinner on a Tuesday when they're in. And he was making us laugh, so this is why we're wobbling here. I was like, shut up. If you could hear the voiceover, I had listened to it, and I'm swearing like you've never heard before. I was getting so angry. I wish I could leave a little clip of you here for you to hear. Maybe I should put it on my Instagram so you could hear it. So yeah, we're just going to do stripey. I'm going to do this. This is the one in real time, even though they were giggling central. And then the one on the middle finger, I've just sped it up because it gets a bit boring. So I obviously did that on the thumb as well, and then once they were cured, I put a few crystals around the cuticle area, and here's your final result. Really loved how they turn out. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for listening to me ramble on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.